Welcome to our channel. I am Abhinaya. I am currently pursuing BCom IT in NGP Arts and Science College. Today I am explaining about OOPS concept in Java. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming System. It is a programming approach that organizes code into objects and classes and makes it more structured and easy to manage. A class is a blueprint that defines properties and behaviors, while an object is an instance of a class representing real world entities. The OOPS concepts are abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, object, class. Abstraction is the property which only the essential details are displayed to the user. The trivial or non-essential units are not displayed to the user. Data abstraction may also be defined as the process of identifying only the required characteristics of an object. Second one is encapsulation. It is defined as the wrapping up of data under a single unit. It is the mechanism that binds together the code and the data it manipulates. Another way to think about encapsulation is that it is a protective shield that prevents the data from being accessed by the code outside this shield. Inheritance is an important pillar of OOPS concept. It is the mechanism in Java by which one class is allowed to inherit the features of another class. We are achieving inheritance by using extends keyword. It has some important terminologies. First one is superclass. The class whose features are inherited is known as superclass. It is also a base class or parent class. Next one is subclass. The class that inherits the other class is known as subclass. It is also known as child class or extended class. Next concept is polymorphism. It refers to the ability of object-oriented programming language to differentiate between entities with the same name efficiently. This is done by Java with the help of signature and declaration of these entities. There are two types of polymorphism in Java. One is method overloading, another one is method overriding. First one, method overloading, is also known as compile time polymorphism, is the concept of polymorphism where more than one method share the same name with a different signature in a class. The written type of these methods can or cannot be same. Second one is method overriding, is also known as runtime polymorphism, is the concept
I hope
of
this video is
polymorphism
interesting.
where
Thank you
method
for
in the
watching.
child class has